Hi everyone, RobIsNow here with another pastel painting. This time we are doing a hare or a bunny rabbit. I'm not sure which it is, but it's a very nice photo of, I'm going to say rabbit, chewing on a piece of clover. Really, really nicely taken photo. The photo comes from a guy called Bendig who uploaded it to Unsplash, so it's free to use, which is very nice of him. I was really pleased with how this came out, so yeah. Anyway, you will see there's a special guest in this video of Luna the cat who came in to inspect the artwork, and you'll also see me wearing a ridiculous wig because I do stream these live on Twitch, so if you ever want to see me doing these live and you want to have a chat, pop in there at twitch.tv/RobIsNow. Sped through, I feel like, the whole process, so I feel like I'm getting a bit more confident. I also try to only use the Rembrandts and the Carbethello pencils, and I feel like I got a better understanding of the Rembrandt pastels this time, which was quite nice. Still not sure they're my favourite, but I wanted to give them a real go, and they're definitely great for the background work. I do like how they come out in the backgrounds, but on the fur I was definitely leaning on the Carbethello pencils to get the details. I'll leave you with the rest of the painting and have a good one. See you next time. Bye.